Howard, good morning. This is Scott, and we are glad that you are here with us. Please feel free to jump in, ask any questions about what you see on the screen or what we're doing. I will tell you guys one thing we're going to be looking at again right off the bat here is TLT. It is down back to that same magic area that we've been looking at a few other times. See if this is real. I'm trying to find out why TLT and rates are where they are this morning. The only thing I can see so far is that the dollar is still a little bit weaker this morning, which may have an effect on TLT. Don't know if that is the real reason or not, but certainly we're at that area again. So we'll be looking potentially to do something there.